There's a huge difference between posting online and being consistent online and building a personal brand. And a lot of people are confusing the two right now. They are being consistent, they are showing up, posting reels, carousels, stories, and they are getting frustrated because they are not achieving the goals that they want. They are not seeing the results as much as they would like. And that's because of one simple thing. It's because they are confusing consistency with personal branding. And it's not the same. Posting consistently online is not the same thing as being intentional about building your personal brand. And in this video, I'm going to separate the two. I'm going to break it down as simple as possible and just help you understand what personal branding really is and what is not. If you just see me for the first time, hi, my name is Amake Zabikwa. I am a personal branding strategist, content strategist, and social media manager, helping business owners and entrepreneurs build solid, intentional personal brands online. And on this channel, I talk about everything content creation, personal branding, and content strategy to help you build an intentional personal brand. When I started creating content a few years ago, I had no idea what personal branding was. To me, I just needed to show up online, put out content, and that was it. And after a while, I wasn't really getting what I wanted. And the way I wanted people to see me was not the way they were seeing me. They were seeing me as something totally different. And I had to do a lot of rebrand to build the kind of personal brand that I wanted. And that even led me to changing my name. That's a whole story for another day. I've noticed that in recent time, a lot of people are going through the same thing I went through. And that is why I'm putting out this video. That is why I'm being intentional on this channel about teaching about personal branding, just to help you not to make the kind of mistakes that I made. So a lot of people confuse personal branding for what is not. They think personal branding, they think once they have their logo, beautiful aesthetics, color palettes, and a beautiful feed, they have their personal branding, like they are building a personal brand. But that's not what personal branding is. Personal branding is being intentional about shaping how you want to be perceived online. It's deciding who you want to be seen as, what you want to be known for, who you want to serve, and how you are going to communicate all of these in a way that the way you want people to see you is the way they actually see you. Because we can be doing it wrong. We can, just like me, think that this is how I want people to see me. But you can have a different idea on how you want people to see you, and people can see you in a totally different way based on the way you put yourself online. One thing I said in one of my videos on Instagram is that everybody has a personal brand. Whether you know it or not, whether you like it or not, you have a personal brand. But building a personal brand, being intentional about it, is you choosing and deciding, okay, this is how I want people to see me. And then carving out everything, your message, your content, the way you show up, the way you appear, the way you speak, your tone, and everything in a way that the way you want to be seen is the way that people see you. Now that is a solid and intentional personal brand. The key word for me is intentionality. And that is one of the things I love about personal branding, is the fact that you get to choose how you want people to see you, and you get to arrange it, you get to show up, you get to piece the puzzle together in a way that they actually see you that way. That is intentionality. Because when you're just posting, you might be creating content, you might be consistent, but you're not sending a clear message. So this confuses people, and they don't know exactly what you stand for. They don't know your values. They are confused, and confused people don't stay. They will swipe away. And the painful thing is that once you lose them, you may never get them back again. It takes the grace of God to lose somebody, when they are to lose a confused potential follower, potential client, and get them back. The thing is, people don't just follow accounts, they follow clarity. They follow people that make them feel like, okay, this person knows me, this person gets it, this person's values aligns with my values. Those are the reasons they follow people. And that only happens when your personal brand is built with intention. So what does intentional personal branding look like? It means you know your message, what you're saying, and what you want people to associate with your name. It means you know your audience, not just generalizing it or saying, oh, I am for everybody, but you know who you're specifically for, and you know the specific problem that you help them solve. It means you know your values, the things that you stand for and stand against, the things that no matter what happens, you will never compromise it. And you're not afraid of saying it and putting it out. And you're not afraid of saying it and putting it out there. And it means that you know your positioning. Why you? Why should anyone choose you out of everybody else? What makes you stand out? What makes you unique? What makes you you? And that is the difference between just posting and being intentional about building your personal brand. So I need you to do something this week. I need you to answer 4 simple questions, and I need you to be honest with yourself, because this will help you build an intentional personal brand. Who do I want to be seen as, and what do I want to be known for? 2, who am I specifically trying to reach, and what problem can I help them solve? 3, what do I stand for and stand against in my niche or in my industry that I'm not afraid to say out loud, even if it means not everyone will agree with me? And 4, if someone found my page right now, would they know exactly what I am about? Would they know exactly who I am, who I'm for, what I help them achieve, what I help them solve, and what I stand for and stand against? Once you're able to answer these 4 questions, you would be on your way to building a solid and intentional personal brand. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question at all. And if this video helped you, there is so much more where that came from. Just subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, because on this channel, we go deep on personal branding, broken down in the simplest way you have ever heard it. Remember, you've got this, I've got you, and God's got us. See you next time.